Tracking your travel expenses is super easy using this spreadsheet. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel. You can edit the categories, print this out, and share it with others. So this is how it works. So you put in the date, and then you can choose from the categories. So let's just say it's the accommodations. We'll put in our hotel, and this is hotel for conference. Say we spent $785.24 over a few days. And then we're going to put in the date of the next item. And let's say it's transportation. So this is like a super taxi. And then let's say this is the taxi from airport to hotel. And then let's say that's how much we spent. So it's really easy to track your expenses. This will calculate how much you've spent total on your trip. And then you can also see your expenses by category. So you can see how much you spent per category item. And then there's 40 lines on here. So if you need more, you can just add a few more rows at the bottom, hit add, and then just highlight the line and then drag this down where that blue dot is. And then you have more items. Just make sure if you need to add any more items that you remember that you've added up to 50 lines. So we'll go into the formula and then just change that to 50. And then that way it will track everything that you've done so far. If you need to make a copy of this, you can also choose from the drop-down box here. You can duplicate this, rename it to new travel expense, and then you can highlight everything and then just start over for the next trip that you go on. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. This and lots more spreadsheets are available at my website at savvyandthriving.com. Have a great day.